Hello, I'm here to discuss the next assignment in Module 2, which is the knowledge check. All right, so I'm going to expand this open in Canvas, and we're going now back to the original Chapter 6 ebook in this module. At the end of the chapter, towards the back of the chapter pages, there is something that's called a knowledge check. There tends to be 3 application reinforcements problems. I'm only going to be having you guys do 2 of them, 2 of the 3. All right, so to get there, again, I ask you to, let's go ahead and log into the course resource page. I already have the tab open. I'm actually already in Module 2. As I scroll down, you'll see knowledge check right here. Now, let me make a point to you again. You may see several assignments, and knowledge check is right here in the middle. Not all the time, specifically the virtual, that we will get to all of these, okay? But the first 3, I think are really good in terms of meeting the requirements of those competencies. So I'm going to right-click and open up knowledge check as it opens up a new tab. I'm going to jump right into looking at the grade sheet. As you said, I said there were 2 problems here, and you can see apply 6-1. There's a fundraising drive letter, and then there's a make it right 6-1. So just as those 2, and obviously being virtual, you'll have basically 2 files in the Dropbox that you'll be submitting. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. Flop me back to the assignment page if I scroll down. Again, the Chapter 6 was that first general form letters and mail merging documentation that we had to do. So I'm going to start by letting you know I'm going to go into the ebook right now. I'm going to open the ebook and drill down to the end of the chapter so I can get to the proper page numbers. All right. So as this opens up, you see general form letters, and if I scroll all the way down to the back half of this ebook, okay, and so I'll start telling you page numbers here shortly as soon as I can get there myself. Here we go. So we get to the end of the chapter, okay, relatively right here was that first assignment. You then see something that says apply your knowledge. You then see something that says extend your knowledge, and then you see something that says make it right. Well, quickly go back to the grade sheet, apply and make it right. So that one in the middle, and I think I may have noted that on the assignment sheet, extend your knowledge right here, right here, right here. You're going to skip that one. You're not going to do that one. So you basically have 2 reinforcement assignments that you're going to be jumping back and forth with. So understand that. So if this one, extend your knowledge right here, you're not doing. So if I scroll back up and look at apply your knowledge, once again, you're going to be, both of these assignments, you're going to be downloading a Word document and have to download an access file. Okay, so unlike the prior 2 activities, you may have created an access file in Word, but this time I'm actually giving you the access file, and I don't think you've ever really bound a Word document to an Excel file. Maybe at the end of this first chapter a little bit. So we're going back and having Word and literally talk to Access in terms of pulling those Access data files in. So if I look at here, the apply your knowledge has approximately 13 steps, okay? Once you get done on step 11, this is where the final merge is going to come in place, and you're going to save it. This is the file you're then going to be uploading. And it's giving you a little sneak peek of, and again, these files very well may have multiple pages because you're pulling in data. If I quickly jump to make it right, Once again, you're going to be reinforcing it. You're going to have an access file that you're going to be pulling in. You'll have a letter. You'll have to put in these address placeholders and then simply go through the merge fashion. So if you can see, here's the back to the Word assignment. Here's the download for the Word assignment, and here's the download for the access file. And I note that here on the tail end. They both have a download of Word and a download of access. So when you're done, you're basically going to be opening up a file, uploading a file called fund drive letter, and then I think it's registration letter. So I believe that's what it's called. But so follow the steps, try to complete them. If you have any questions, then get with me. This is where the submit box right here in Canvas, where you'll be submitting these two files. Let me know if you have any questions.